hard to see your parent crying in front of you. Musamseleku had a conversation with his daughter, Abongwe. And I saw that Abongwe is the person who can understand her father. I saw Abongwe, guys, Musamseleku loves Abongwe most of the time. And Abongwe asked her father that you are okay. And Musamseleku, he says to his daughter, I'm not okay. He starts crying in front of a child. It's not good, guys, that you are crying in front of a child. Musamseleku caused those dramas. And his wife tells him that, especially Mayeni tells him that when he is going to marry the fifth wife, she is going to leave the marriage and Mangwabe. And he was not expecting that Makumalo, she will be stubborn nowadays. Makumalo, she is very stubborn to Musamseleko because she is very tired to tolerate anything Musamseleku wants. But Musamseleku doesn't tolerate Makumalo. You understand it? So Musamseleku, we have got a lot of depression on his head. Guys, some people they have got a depression with a one woman. You understand? A one woman can stress you. What about four wives? But expecting Machele is not that person who is stressing him. Machele, you understand? It's not that person who is stressing him. People who are stressing Muzamzeleko is Mayeni and especially Mayeni, because now in season 8, a lot of drama now. Mayeni is the person who is stressing him. You understand? Because she leaves him with children and go and stay with her parents. Mayeni is the person who's stressing Musamseleko. You understand it? Mangwabe is better because Mangwabe is not that person who is talkative too much. Mangwabe. Because guys, he caused those dramas on his own. You understand? And he was not expecting that Makumalo will behave such a way. But nowadays, Makumalo, she is changed to Musamseleko. She is not in love with Musamseleko. She is tired now. You understand? So it's become worse to him. Musamseleko is the person who have a short temper. When he is angry, he starts crying most of the times. His young son, Munini. Munini, when he is angry, he can cry anytime. You understand it?